How are you doing today? I hope you are all doing great. Welcome to another day of learning opportunity. I will be discussing with you another topic in Math 7. And this is all about multiplication and division of integers. But before that, let us first look into the objectives of today's lesson. At the end of the video lesson, you should be able to memorize the rules in multiplying and dividing integers, and calculate and perform the indicated operation. Let's have first the vocabulary words. First is product. Product. Second, quotient. Quotient. Third, positive. Positive. Fourth is negative. Negative. Okay, so now class, let's proceed to the rules in multiplication and division of integers. Rule number 1. The product or the quotient of two positive integers is positive. So positive times positive equals positive. Same in division. Positive divided by positive is equal to positive. Rule number 2. The product or the quotient of two negative integers is positive. So negative times negative is equal to positive. Negative divided by negative is equal to positive. Next rule, rule number 3. The product or the quotient of a positive integer and a negative integer is negative. So positive times negative is equal to negative. Positive divided by negative is equal to negative. And then the last rule, rule number 4. The product or the quotient of a negative integer and a positive integer is negative. So negative times positive is equal to negative. And negative divided by positive is equal to negative. Now, let's have the example. We have positive 2 times positive 3 is equal to positive 6 or just simply 6. Okay? Because this number is automatically, it's positive. Number 2, we have negative 5 times negative 3 is equal to positive 15, or you can just simply write 15. Okay, we have number 3, positive 4 times negative 3 is equal to negative 12. And then the last, we have negative 7 times positive 4 is equal to negative 28. So by the way, class, the answer in multiplication is what we so-called product. The product of 2 and 3 is equal to 6. Okay, 6, 15, negative 12, and negative 28 is what we so-called product. Okay, when you are going to multiply, the answer is product. Now, let's proceed in division. We have positive 6 divided by positive 3 is equal to positive 2 because 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. And then we have number 2. Negative 15 divided by negative 3 is equal to positive 5, or just simply 5. Number 3, we have positive 14 divided by negative 2 is equal to negative 7. And then the last one, we have negative 28 divided by positive 7 is equal to negative 4. Okay, in dividing class, the answer is what we so-called quotient. Quotient. Okay, the answer in division is quotient. Now, let's sum it up. In multiplying and dividing integers with the same signs, the result is positive. And if the integers have an unlike signs, the result is negative. Okay, another, in multiplying and dividing integers with the same signs, the result is positive. And if the integers have an unlike signs, the result is negative. Okay, let's have the mind challenger. Okay, so from this one, you are going to match the equation from column A to their answer in column B. We have here column A and then column B. So from this equation, you are going to match it to column B. We have number 1, positive 22 times negative 2. What do you think is the answer? Great, it is negative 44, because 22 times 2, it's 44. And then we have their unlike signs, which is positive times negative. And then based from the rule, if we have unlike signs, the answer is negative. Okay, next, number 2, 22 divided by negative 2. What is the answer? Great, it is negative 11. Very good, because 22 divided by 2 is 11. And then we have positive divided by negative, wherein the answer is negative. Okay, if you are going to divide unlike signs, the answer is negative. How about this number 3? Negative 22 times negative 2. Very good. The answer is 44. Okay, it's positive 44 because we have negative times negative is equal to positive, and 22 times 2 is equal to 44. Okay, how? And then the last number, we have negative 22 divided by negative 2. Of course, the answer is positive 11. Okay, so if you are going to divide integers with the same signs, the answer is positive. Okay, so if you got the answers correct, congratulations. And then if not, you can still go back to the previous lines to study well. I hope you have learned something today. See you on our next lesson. Please stay at home and keep safe. Thank you for listening.